Hi everyone, I'm Ukulele Jay. Today I am smoking a fantastic grass-fed, grass-finished Black Angus TriTip. That's right, California is king of the tri-tips. And today, brought to you by Naughty Wood BBQ. They make fantastic almond pellets. My newest sponsor today. I can't wait to fire up that almond wood and get that smoke going. Here we go.
Smoking sous sommelier-ish, ukulele Jay.
Today we're cooking the tri-tip, which is the bottom sirloin. It's the triangular cut of the bottom sirloin. It's an absolutely fantastic cut of meat. A lot of people buy it here in California at Costco. Some people get it at Sam's Club. But today, my sirloin comes from my grass-fed Black Angus cow that I purchased from TX Bar up in Northern California. And today, I'm gonna smoke it. We're gonna keep it simple like our brisket, 50% salt, 50% pepper, a little garlic powder on both sides, and this is the final result. Look at that, absolutely scintillating. Now we're gonna go out and put it on the smoker. Today is the maiden voyage of my newly repainted Yoder YS640. We're going for 220 degrees. Temperature is at 220 degrees, meat is at room temperature, here we go. And we're gonna let the meat now sit till it reaches 127 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Let it absorb all that great almond smoke from Naughty Wood BBQ. And then we're gonna bring it in, wrap it up and let it rest and slice it up. Now, unlike a lot of people, I did not fire this off on a grill at the end. It just isn't necessary. And you're gonna have a nice even temp throughout the entire cut of the meat. I'm down to 122 after about 20 minutes of resting after I pulled it at 127. When I unwrap, you're gonna notice some incredible grill marks on here. Those are not from putting them on the barbecue. I don't believe in doing that afterwards like a lot of people do. So try it without and see how it comes out. I like it evenly cooked all the way through without that hot sear at the end on a tri-tip. It's just not necessary. And you can just look at this. Absolutely juicy, scintillation, perfect tri-tip. But before we show you how we cut into this, I just wanna show you a few shots of this fantastic, gorgeous looking tri-tip, all ready to be sliced. Here we go. Now, tri-tip has two different grain directions. You want to cut where those two meet. You'll see it clearly before you season it up, but it's right around the point here on this piece. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to take the left side and turn it 90 degrees before we slice it. Keep the right side as is, so we're cutting across the grain on both sides. Look at that, absolutely perfectly cooked. And here I have a close-up with the lights on. You can see how juicy this is. Edge-to-edge evenness. This is not sous vide. It is smoked, but it's smoked at low temperature, and this is why I do not grill it at the end. I do not want that edge to be well done. I want to keep it the rare to medium rare all the way through evenly. And before my final wrap up, my taste test and the wine pairing, this is just a fantastic piece of meat. Grass-fed, grass-finished. You really can't get any better than this. And today with my tri-tip, I had to go with some wine. I went with the 2012 Twining Vine. This is Tribute, which is a table red, and it was really, really good. I would highly recommend pairing your meat with some great wine. We're about 3 hours in. We finished smoking our meat. We took it out, wrapped it for about 20 minutes, got it to an internal temperature of around 127 degrees. Now, I like my meat a little bit on the medium rare side. My wife likes it rare, so I compromised. I did it rare this time, which I have to say was absolutely incredible. You'll see the pictures here. Beautiful color, nice smoke ring from that Naughty Wood BBQ almond wood pellets. Really nice pronounced smoke, but it's a really nice sweet smoke. And let's give it a taste here. Get the pepper and the salt from my 50-50 pepper mix. Definitely could taste the smoke on this thing. It is really, really fantastic. Used my Yoder YS640 for the smoking. Little 2012 Tribute red table wine from Twining Vine in Castro Valley, California. The guy makes a great wine. And I really thought 2012 table red, this wasn't gonna stay. And it really, really aged well. I mean, it's incredibly smooth. Raspberry, a little bit of strawberry notes on this going on. A little bit of sweetness. You really can't taste any alcohol at all, which is incredible. Probably around a 13-ish in alcohol, and it goes really great with the peppery tri-tip. If you want to try tri-tip, make sure you do that 50-50 mix. Don't get crazy with your mix. Go simple, go low and slow, 220, 225 degrees max. Let that smoke penetrate the meat, and you will have an incredible tri-tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Smoking sous vide sommelier-ish. Ukulele, ukulele J.